Good day. Today, we will show you how to install the product eXess, the mechanical explosion protection with Opto-Quant Energen. Specifically, we will install it in a lawnmower tank of the Alco 18 type. Here is the mechanical explosion protection based on the surface. In this case, a plastic fuel tank is installed. The fuel is supplied to the carburetor and the engine through the fuel line. In this case, there already is a filter in the fuel line. Normally, we recommend installing a filter for retrofitting. Due to the risk of cuts, it is recommended to install the eXess material with gloves. The fuel tank is now filled. Volume plus approximately 10%. In this case, we have filled 10 liters plus approximately 0.8 liters of eXess material. That means a total of 10.8 liters of eXess material. It should only be filled according to the user manual, even by authorized personnel. And after the fuel tank is protected, we will attach a label indicating that this tank is explosion-proof. After filling, open the fuel valve, close the engine hood, and start the vehicle. Although the filling or retrofitting may seem labor-intensive, it is actually easy to do. It should only be filled according to our instructions. The eXess material is designed to last for the lifetime of the fuel tank in the vehicle. No additional service is required during operation. The significant advantage for you is fire and explosion protection.